Surface strike. Wouldn't you agree, number one? Isn't there something else you have to do?
Open your eye.
Okay.
Daddy's gonna make fun of your eyes if you don't open them.
The finalists will begin in half an hour. You have to pick a first, second, and third place and 4 honorable mentions.
Work to Captain. Incoming transmission from Admiral.
Mommy, she didn't wash her face yet.